In this screwdriver modeling tutorial, we'll be creating a flathead screwdriver with a plastic handle. We'll start by modeling the main body and the intersection. To do that, we'll first draw half of the cross-section using the line command following the technical drawing. Then we'll use the Revolve command to rotate that section 360 degrees and form the basic shape. After revolving, we'll create the inner cavity by drawing a cylinder and a cone and then combine them using Boolean union. Finally, we'll subtract this combined shape from the main body to form the hollow interior. And with that, the first step of our screwdriver model is complete. After drawing the body according to the technical drawing, we'll use the trim command to clean up the shape and match it to the overall design. Then we'll smooth out the edges based on the radius values provided in the technical drawing. Once the section looks right, we'll use the join command to turn all the lines into a single continuous profile. Next, we'll use the revolve command to rotate the cross-section 360 degrees, and that will complete the main body of our screwdriver. In the following steps, we'll move on to modeling the tip of the screwdriver.